just wanna pop, pop, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna pop, pop, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around.
Surf and turf special for 60 bucks. I don't actually think that's a good deal. It's a little pricey for surf and turf here. You get a buffet for surf and turf. Not lobster though. Always a good Chinese place out here. Very cool decoration. Look at that. Oh, dinner only. This place, Italian Soul, Bala. Also only open for dinner. By the way, it's about like 7 o'clock in the morning here. So it's very, very early. But I like the atmosphere. Like charcuterie board here, Italian style. Oh, there's the 3D display. Although, I don't think it works if you put it there. How do you even see it up there? It used to be on top of a bar when you come in the entrance. And when you come in the entrance, you always have to see it the same way. So it creates this illusion that it doesn't bend like that. But it has to be almost in that corner, so you can't really see it from the side. Looked like they just said we didn't want to get rid of it, so we'll just hang it anywhere.
Well, at least you found it.
Kind of disappointing, baby. Kind of disappointing. I'm going away. Security here, serious. Hey, it's going. Oh, you're not security? Oh, okay. What are you guys? SRT. Ooh, this is fancy. That lounge. Yeah, it's a nice lounge, baby. With the Rat Pack, look at that.
Yeah.
I want to play, but I don't think I have any money on me. At least Uno Mas is open for lunch, which is street tacos. They're just opening up right now. Starbucks here. Right across, you got another pastry coffee place. They're really telling the old school here. And mainly because Sahara is actually an old school casino. One of the originals. I can't say that this is a representation old school because it's been renovated so many times and it's been transferred through so many different corporations. But at least in name, the Sahara lives. Here we are at the Ludette. Don't you know who those people are? That's right, baby, the Beatles. Look at this lounge. This is a pretty cool lounge. I love the art they have here. A lot of it's of very sexy women. Why aren't you up there, baby? You put in a record and listen some.